Hey everyone, welcome back. It's day 16. Today we are going to be we're going to put together those legs, those trapezoid legs. We also got a new tool in the shop. We got this planer. Got it for 140 bucks off of Marketplace. And I think it should be I thought it was a pretty decent deal. It's just a little 13-inch one, but it's at least a start. It was a pretty good price for what I can afford now. Anyways, that lady that wanted the two more side tables, I asked her if she wanted it exactly like the other ones, and she said yeah. So I built basically all of that, but then all of a sudden she says, oh, can you make them these dimensions? Which I could have just said, no, I've already kind of started building them, but when you go custom like that, more custom, it's a good opportunity to make some more money. So I have the opportunity to make an extra $100 if I did it custom the way she wanted it. She just wanted the top a little bit bigger and the legs a little bit higher. So that's what I'm going to do. So we're going to have to start on another set of those legs. And because she wants the top a little bit bigger, we're going to have to do some biscuit joining. But hopefully it goes to plan because we now have the planer. But yeah, so here we go. And also, if we do get a chance, I will retry it. I'll plane the failed biscuit joint, and try to resalvage those pieces and maybe biscuit join it again. Here we go. Okay, everyone. So that's the end of day 16. We got done. We got done another thing of epoxy. We're still at $120, but we're still going pretty strong here. Tomorrow is going to be a big day, so stay tuned. And I have all next week off, so I'm going to be putting in full days. Try to put in full days, 8-hour days to just see how much I can really do. Last minute push, I guess. Anyways, other than that, on the coat of epoxy, we did get those two boards all glued up, and hopefully do a glue up on the other two boards tomorrow. And we also did get started on these legs. I just have a couple more things to do, and they should be done too. So yeah, stay tuned for tomorrow. See ya.